Josh here, and I want to show you guys what I've been up to today. Um, Over here on the EURUSD, like we were sitting right at support, and I just really had a strong suspicion that it was going to go up, and so I bought right here on the open of this red candle. Went against me a little bit, and then pop. Like I was not expecting this pop. That was almost a 20 pip pop. I got out here right at the top. There was some more. If we go back, that was the top of the market back here. So I had this line in there, and I'm like, yeah, you know what? I'm going to get out. So I did. And I could have gotten in right around in here. If not, on the close of this one, on the close of this one. And I could have taken that sucker right back down for 26 pips. I missed it. I didn't. I was looking at something else. And that is what I'm going to show you next. So I made, how much did I make here? I think I made about 20 pips. And 24 pips. Okay. So there's that. And then over on the pound dollar. Now, this is zoomed in. I'll zoom out here so you guys can see what I was looking at. Came down here, made a mad rush up, and was going sideways. And I really thought this was going back down. And I had this indicator, it repaints back some because it's reading a higher time frame moving average. It turned red, okay, or it turned orange. And I'm like, I gotta sell that. I was gonna sell it right back to where, right here. Yeah, probably right there for 20 pips. And I shot back up. I freaked out and I got out at the top of that candle. I should have left it alone, but I got in again at a 10 pip difference. I got in a better price, 10 pip better price difference, and took it down to here, yeah, for 17 pips. So what did I do? Did I lose? I lost 16 pips there, and then I made 17 pips there. So I kind of broke even on the pound dollar today. But that's life. That happens. I came out ahead. That's the important thing. And I still think it's going to come down here and retest this level. If not, I think we're going to go up. Let's look at the daily. Whoa, where'd we go? Okay. I'm going to get rid of that stuff. Okay. There we go. Okay, so we've got a rollover of the moving averages on the daily chart. This is a downtrend, beginning of a downtrend possibly. If we go down to the 4-hour, we're already moving down nicely. The weekly 5/8 moving averages have not crossed over yet, so we're still in an uptrend on the 4-hour. However, on the 1-hour, we are in a definite downtrend from right about. This would have been nice if that would have actually turned colors, all things lined up right there, but it probably didn't. Probably it was over here somewhere. Actually, I'm lying. It was down here somewhere. It didn't change. It didn't turn colors till down here. So we had quite a retracement. That it looked like quite a retracement. But right around in here is where things really would have taken shape, and we would have been able to get in here. 47 pips to the bottom. If we, I think it's still going to keep going down. So that would have been a perfect trend entry right there. We'd be up about 31 pips at the moment. So let's see what's going on the EURUSD. Whoops. Okay. I'm going to leave those lines there. I'm going to go to the 4-hour. Okay, so these lines mark this level of previous support, which turned into resistance right here, which was incredible. If we would have gotten in right there, man, that'd been fantastic. Now, this level here is support, and we've broken support. And it looks like we're still bearish on the 4-hour candle. So it looks like it's still pushing down. It's just going to disregard this level back here. So we'll keep an eye on that. That might be a good level of retest since it went 1, 2 here. And then kind of stalled here for a little bit and then came right down. Didn't have any problems with that. If we drop to the 1 hour, oh, and the weekly trend here is down. This histogram here, this middle histogram, the orange one, is looking at the weekly 5/8, and that's there. It's crossed down right now, so we're in a strong downtrend. Um, Here on the 1 hour, we've got some flipping, flopping back and forth on the for the daily trend, but we're pretty strong downwards, right now. Had a really nice entry right here, and I got that one. I don't remember where I got out, but I got that one, and I was real happy about that. Um, on the 1 hour, you can see some interesting things happening. Here's what these two bars right here are today. It hit this level of resistance down here, or support down here from the 4 hour, right here. 1, 2, and then tested it right here again. So it bounced, came up, smacked this line right here that we can see right here, which is right there, and it immediately went back down and blew through this line and just didn't have any problems with it. Just stalled there for a minute, took a breath, pow, we'd be up 46 pips. And that is the power of support and resistance right there. It's definitely something worth learning about. It's worth keeping an eye on, paying attention to. I think I mentioned these levels in previous videos. Yesterday even, that I was going to be watching these levels, and sure enough, man, we had some reactionary points. Let's go down to the 5 minute. Computer's freezing. It's just great. We can see it even better right here. Come down, broke this actually, and closed below it. Snapped right back up, boing, all the way to the top, and then right back down all the way to the bottom. So fantastic. I hope you guys caught some of that, or all of it rather. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Oops. Okay. No. Wait. Oh well, I'll figure it out later. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.